Alright guys, so as you can see, my bike is super muddy because I went riding yesterday in the rain, but I also got new grips. They're lock-ons from WTB and they're already scratched a little bit. I couldn't get the bar ends on because the bar ends were like too big, they couldn't fit in the bars, but whatever, I think I'll be okay. So, as some of y'all guys might know, I just recently hit 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna do some wheelies for that, and maybe I'll get a little better at wheelies. Get some brake control and that kind of stuff. And hopefully you guys can hear me good. Hopefully the wind is not overruling my voice. Yes, these grips are really soft. They're like 20 bucks. But I wanted lock-ons because I wanted to try it out, and they work really good. Like, it was super easy. I did strip out one of the bolts, so I'm not sure how fun that's going to be to get out, but we'll see. Yeah, so thanks for 100 subscribers. I think that I need some more views. That's the only thing I think I need. But enough of the talking. I was going a little bit too fast there for the gear I'm in. Oh yeah, that was terrible. Ooh, that was pretty good. Somebody left a shirt there. Okay. Tomorrow we might get our new dog, and it's gonna be the same breed as Ellie, probably, and the same breeder that we got Ellie from. But yeah, it's gonna be a male. Dang it. So I'm not sure what we're going to be doing at the mountain biking practice. They're saying it's called a skills practice, I guess. So, I guess we're doing skills. I push on the brake too much. Like, I need to ease on the brake a little bit more instead of just mashing on it. It's so hot out here. My shoes untied too. Oh my gosh. I'm just warming up, guys. Ah! Oh my gosh. My shoe just got tied up into the... You got a leaf in your ear. Hey. Got stuff all over you. What have you been doing? Yeah, this is a very childish cup, but I don't care. Ellie, you coming? No, I guess she'll come out in a sec. After she finishes eating. Okay. Got my shoe tied. We'll drink the water. So let's try a different deal. Let's try this. Alright. Ooh, sounded great. But see, I hit on the brake too hard there. Another thing I do is like go to the side too much So I gotta work on that. Dang it. I mash on the brake when I stop pedaling, and then I just keep going back, and that scares me. Oh gosh. Hey. Ellie, come on. I'm not going in. That would be it for this video. Yeah, there's my back tire, almost bald. Sorry I couldn't do an edit, but I am here by myself, and I kind of need a cameraman to do that. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna wash my bike later today. But yeah, so stay tuned. Like this video. Let's try to get 5 likes on it. And yeah, so bye.